Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a letter of intent for business deals. This letter is a formal document that outlines the preliminary terms and mutual understanding between two parties interested in entering a business partnership. Start by including your company letterhead, date, recipient details, and a clear subject line. Addressed formally to the managing director, this letter sets the tone for initiating a professional business relationship. After that, write, "We are writing to express our intent to explore a strategic business collaboration between company name and recipient company name. The proposed arrangement aims to combine our respective strengths to expand market reach, improve operational efficiency, and develop innovative offerings." This letter of intent outlines our interest in discussing key areas of cooperation such as product integration, joint marketing initiatives, and commercial terms. This letter is non-binding and intended solely as a preliminary framework for further discussions. We look forward to scheduling a meeting in the near future to begin formal negotiations and move towards a definitive agreement. Sincerely, your full name, your position, company name. Here's our sample letter of intent for business deals. You'll notice how it clearly outlines the initial terms of collaboration, maintains a respectful and professional tone, and expresses mutual interest in moving forward with a formal agreement. The letter's clear structure helps establish a strong foundation for future negotiations and partnership success. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing clear and effective financial and business letters.